Hello boss, today we will test our 150 kilowatt hybrid solar system. It will use at the factory in Africa. This is our 150 kilowatt hybrid solar inverter. It have the 3 sets of the MPPT built-in. Here is the inverter and have the isolation transformer here. And this is the EMS. It can cloud wheel and remote control of the whole set solar system here. Here is have the screen to show you the whole set solar system data here. This is the battery combiner box. Because we use 2 sets of the lithium battery using in parallel, so we use the combiner box to connect the cable with our inverter. It also have the communicable line with our inverter to show you the data in this screen, something like the EMX of the lithium battery. These 2 sets is our lithium battery. We use 2 sets of the lithium battery to use in parallel. The total capacity is 307 kilowatt hours. This solar system is very popular to use in the factory, farm, hotel, supermarket, and office. Are you looking for solar system? Welcome to contact us. We will give you the one-stop service. Choose Tanfon Solar, safe, durable, more saving.